Hello everyone, today we are here to learn about a very important topic from the Science and Tech section of GS 3 paper of UPSC CSE Mains. The topic is biotechnology. It is a very important topic since many questions are repeated from this topic. Every alternate years, questions from biotechnology and nanotechnology are seen in the UPSC paper. Today we will have a comprehensive understanding of how the questions are asked and what is the content we can write in those questions. So what is biotechnology? It is an area of biology that uses living processes, organisms or systems to manufacture products or technology intended to improve the quality of human life. For example, molecular modeling, genomics, bioinformatics, biosimulation, these are the methods of using biotechnology. Now let us see what are the branches of biotechnology. There are 4 major branches, that is blue, green, red and white. Blue biotechnology refers to the marine and aquatic biotechnology. Green biotechnology refers to the agriculture. Red refers to the medical and white refers to the industrial biotechnology. Now let us see what is the layman meaning of biotechnology. It is an area where the living processes, organisms or everything that lives around is a living thing is used to produce something that will make our lives easy. India is among the top 12 destinations for biotechnology in the world. India has 2% share in the global biotechnology industry, and the largest use of biotech in India is in biopharmaceuticals. That is 55% of total revenue comes from there and 22% from bioagriculture. High demand opened up scope for foreign companies to set up their base in India since India is called the pharma of the world. There is a large scope of biotechnology in India and hence it has also led to increase in the FDIs of India. Now, the largest destination for clinical trials, contract research and manufacturing activities. Now let us delve into the applications of biotechnology. Biotechnology has been the basis of the revolutionary green revolution in India. More productive and tolerant varieties of crops can be produced using this technology, which leads to enhanced nutrition through biofortification. For example, golden rice, which has a huge amount of vitamin A in it. Recently, government has also started giving fortified rice in midday meals to students. Then also making crops resistant to pest attacks, for example, BT cotton and BT brinjal. Also, crops requiring less water and giving more yield. For example, the high yielding varieties of wheat and rice introduced during the Green Revolution. The second application of biotechnology is adapting to climate change, producing crops which are resistant to climate change, which help farmers to convert to no-till practices and develop solutions that decrease carbon-based fertilizers. The third application is tackling diseases like COVID-19 or Zika virus or using stem cell therapy, making vaccines and medicines using biotechnology. The next application is bioenergy. Increased use of bioethanol and biodiesels is a need in India to save fuel also, which is environmentally sustainable, and bioenergy is a great source for that. It is derived from living organisms such as plants and their byproducts, microbes or animal waste. And in the scenario of growing energy needs, that is rural, vehicular and industries, bioenergy is a great panacea. Also, bioenergy is very climate friendly. The next application is livestock improvement by embryo transfer technology, also making affordable vaccines and also diagnostics against a plethora of animal diseases. And the last but very important application is waste management using methods like bioremediation, in which microbes are used to decompose the waste and hence manure is produced. Having said this, biotechnology doesn't come very easily to India. The challenges in implementing the biotechnology are as follows. The first is low research and development. Our research and development expenditure is 0.6% of our GDP, and manual biotech economies are very less. Japan and US 3%, China 2%, which is very huge in comparison to India. Second is IPR regime, that is intellectual property rights. There are two contentions in this. Section 3D of the Patents Amendment Act 2005, which sets high standards for patentability, which discourages innovation and foreign investment. The second is compulsory licensing, that is power of government to suspend patents during health emergencies, which is used only once till now. The next challenge is lack of marketization. Early funding by universities or governments runs out soon. Funding for marketing is done by then venture capitalists, which is very unsustainable. This gap has huge impact in commercialization of innovative ideas. The next challenge is public awareness. Often, biotechnology is viewed as a complex scientific field and people are very less aware of its benefits. And even if aware, people do not accept readily the products of biotechnology. For example, if some new seeds are introduced in the market, it takes a lot of efforts for the people to accept them and let their traditional varieties of seeds take a back seat. Then next challenge is the technology is very less lucrative. The number and quality of jobs offered is lesser than the workforce supply already available, and students are very less interested in this field, hence it has direct impact on the research and development. And the last challenge, but very important, is the regulatory authority. The Biotechnology Regulatory Authority of India bill, which envisions creating a regulatory body for uses of biotechnology products including GMOs, is pending in the parliament, and such pendencies or such delays has led to very low discussions and very low improvements in this field. But there is always a brighter side. The government of India has taken a lot of initiatives to improve this technology and make India Atmanirbhar, that is self-reliant in science and technology field. The aim set by government is to create a $100 billion biotechnology industry in India by 2025. The programs undertaken are as follows. First is National Biotech Development Strategy 2015 to 20. Earlier in 2007, first strategy by Department of Biotechnology, which provided an insights into the enormous opportunities that are provided by this field. In 2015, it was to establish India as a world-class biomanufacturing hub. Implementation by Biotech Industry Research Assistant Council, which is also called BIRAC. Investment of over 1500 crore by Government of India for 5 years, 50% cost from World Bank loan. This was the summary of National Biotech Development Strategy 2015 to 20. The aims of these are US $100 billion by 2025 industry, launching 4 missions. First is healthcare, second food and nutrition, third clean energy, fourth is education. And significant investment for creation of new biotechnology products. The next aim is strong infrastructure for research and development and commercialization and creation of a life sciences and biotechnology education council. The third one being creating a technology development and translation network across the country with global partnership. Fourth aim is revitalize the knowledge environment at par with growing bioeconomy. The last one being focus on biotechnology tools for inclusive development. The use of biotechnology should not be concentrated only to the elite class, but also have its seeping effect on the bottom line of the country. The next initiative by Government of India is National Biopharma Mission. It is an industry academia collaborative mission for accelerating discovery research to early development for biopharmaceuticals. The aim is to innovate in India. The mission is assisted by the World Bank to create an enabling ecosystem to promote entrepreneurship and indigenous manufacturing. The focus areas will be: the first one is develop new vaccines, biotherapeutics, diagnostics and medical devices. Second being bring isolated center of excellence together, enhance regional capabilities, strengthen current bioclusters network. The third focus is deliver 6 to 10 products in next 5 years and create several dedicated facilities for next generation skills. The last focus is develop platform technologies and capacity building. Also, a very important initiative by the Government of India is promotion of biotechnology in Northeast region of India. Since Northeast is a hub of traditional practices and a lot of hidden potential, government wants to leverage that potential in the form of biotechnology. In 2009 and 10, Department of Biotechnology set up a Northeast region biotech program management for coordinating and promoting the biotechnology activities in Northeast region. The annual investment is 180 crores per year. Now let us see what more can be done as a way forward in this sector. The first is strategic roadmap. That is, having competitive areas and needs for industry-based R&D should be identified. Second, future plans in consideration of competencies and resources of country. A comprehensive approach needs to be taken considering all the stakeholders. The second initiative can be ecosystem of innovation, that is increasing convergence of disciplines that are varied in different fields. Universities should evolve an ecosystem where scientists, innovators and future entrepreneurs could be nurtured. The third one is collaboration between government and industry, middle ground that recognizes the value of innovation and does not hurt its investment attractiveness. The next is building human capital, which is the strength of India, since India has a population dividend, which is creating a specialized human force in the field of biotechnology and increasing the number and quality of jobs. Next is funding mechanism. The funding should be based on the importance of ideas. And the last one is extending reach, specially also and timely also, that is horizontally and vertically to other fields and to all the sections of population.